Hello everybody. Let's install Python 3.11. So it's an exciting news. Go to python.org and go to download install Python 3.11. Here are the major new features. It's faster than Python 3.10 and got some interesting features. Let's install the Windows installer 3 to 64 bits. Let's put it down here and let's install it. Add to Python Next path and install now. Okay, let's see if let's take a new command line. There it goes, Python 3.11. Okay, that's all. And in the next days, we will check out the new features of Python 3.11.